back. This video is to demonstrate how to compare reports. So first of all, you would like to create a range of um, a number of date ranges to compare. So let's do that for 2015 and 2016. So you create combo boxes. So one for the start date and one for the end date. So let's use 1st January 2015 and do the end date, which is going to be 31st December 2015. Create a second one. Let's do that of 2016 and the end date of 2016 as well. So when we press the income statement by range button, it should prepare income statements for both date ranges for us. So yeah, it's doing that now. So you realize that there's not enough data on the 2016. So so we just did that of 2015. So the reason is because there's no data calculated for 2016. So when you have an issue that you have to go back and create the calculation for 2016 as well. So we come to the multiple date ranges. Here we could put what date range do we want. So we go up to 10. So we're going to do only 2. We're going to enter 2. So the first date range is going to be 31st January 2015, 31st December 2015. So now the second date range. So the first one, the start date is going to be 21st January 2016, 31st December 2016. Enter. So now it's calculating for both date ranges. So once you have that data there, you can prepare income statement for both date ranges. So if you come here, you can do it in the form. You can also just press one of these buttons, the income statement by range, and it will do it for you. So let's finish with what we started in the form. So here's the reports comparer. So we do start date 2015, end date 2015, another combo for 2016, another combo for the end date for 2016. And let's press the income statement and see what it gives us this time. Done. Let's see if it worked. Yeah. So this time you got data calculated for 2016. So it's gonna do for two date ranges. Let's try that off balance sheet and see. It's calculating. Let's see. Yeah, I've done that of 2015 and 2016. So here your assets are there. Let's do that of cash flow. Yeah, also done. So these let me close this window, else will not allow me to do anything else. Okay, the first year is not balancing, the second year is balancing. So that's how it works. And once you've saved the data ranges in your database, then you don't need to go back to the form anytime you want to check your cash flow statement or your income statement by ranges. You can just click them here and they'll just pop up again. It's when you want to change the data range in the database, then you go to the form and you do that, or you can even do it at this level under the multiple date ranges, and it is going to work. So this is the income statement. This is the balance sheet by range. Good. Yeah, both balancing. Can do that for cash flows. Yeah. So the good thing about this is this, you don't need to worry about anything, you know, deleting by mistake. You can always press the button and it's gonna prepare you a new one. Gonna prepare you a new one. Yeah, there you have it. Okay, so this is how we prepare reports by comparing data ranges. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you on the next one.